Hey, it's Derek Jones, and today we have a Coleman BT200x mini bike, and we're excited to put it together. $50 if they put it together, and I was like, no, I'll put it together. All right, let's open it up, see what it takes. Like I said, it was $50 for them to build it. I was like, no way, dude. Here's the bike, and box of stuff, bunch of cardboard. We'll throw that crap back in there. And we got the bike itself. Ooh, there's another box of stuff. I don't know what's in there. And this bag. All right, let's debag it. Looks like we got the front wheel. Then, that ain't too bad weight-wise. There's the rest of the bike. Gonna leave this on the cardboard while I get it. Looks like a 19 by 7 by 8, a genuine Wanda tire. I don't know what's in here. Oh, the front fork. There we go. Front fork. Looks like an axle. And there's a nut. Okay. Let's get this thing put together. Oh, we got the last box it came with. Looks like we got some instructions. And oh man, it even came with a little toolkit, front fender, rear fender, and what's in here? Oh, that's the headlight. And it's got a headlight. So we're rolling. It's got a very specific sequence, it says. And this might be the tricky part, actually. It's a large washer, and then a small washer. All right, so the sequence is big washer, little washer, big washer, locking nut for the front fork. Actually came with a pretty nice little wrench set. Look at that. All right, so then, oh, we're gonna need the big one on that side. All right, so use the 16 metric right there. And then this one is a 14.
This bad boy. Huh?
We didn't film this because it took all our hands. Bolt, big washer, nut. Right, so Cole is now tightening down the handlebars. We had to pull all 4 of these out to get it to fit, and then just tighten it back down. Right, so to get the front fender, there's a couple bolts under here we have to loosen. He's going the wrong way.
You sure?
Yeah, you're going the wrong way. There you go. All right, so he's putting the rear fender on now.
Wait, oh, washer was on.
One thing we ended up doing is taking the handlebars back off, passing it through here so the cables didn't bind, and then screwing it back on. So you'll want to pass the handlebars through the fork so these wires don't get bound on the frame. And we put the headlight on. That was real simple. A couple bolts right here. Cole's gonna snap the headlight in. Alrighty, let's go get some oil. Right, so we're all assembled. We're just gonna have to go get some oil. That took about 20 minutes, not too bad. What do you think, Cole?
So this turned out to be a really worthwhile project. Took us about maybe half an hour to get it put together. Started right up, just a perfect little project for a kid who's stuck home with COVID. I totally think that this is a great value. It's available in my link down below. Feel free to pick yourself up one, and we'll give you an updated and a full review later. This is just the first look, but so far we're pretty happy with it.
What do you think?
It's really fun.
Is it worth our money?
Yes.